Wala pa.
Okay, you may take your seats.
Thank you, sir. Sombrero pa.
To do the honor of closing the program of Bring Up 2008, Dr. Leonard, PMI Vice President, Academic Affairs.
Before I read my 3-hour speech, let me congratulate our president for her stamina staying in the 3 hours. Beloved President, Madam Isabel Santos, our distinguished Executive Vice President of our Alumni Association, Captain Xenia, our deans, our other academic officers, on the behalf of the management and thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for coming, and let us all have a pleasant evening. Goodbye, and thank you for coming.
Ladies and gentlemen, the exits of colors to be led by PMI Naval Officer, ROTC Midshipman.
Oo. Siya yung nagdadala ng flag? Hindi ba yata? Wala iba na. Siya yung kanina. Mayroon siya dito eh. Kanina kasi yung gano'n.
The President of PMI Colleges, the administrative and academic officials, the faculty and employee, the participants, parents, and guests will lead the recessional.
Umalis si ma'am para hindi magulo mamaya.
And God bless. Thank you for attending and gracing the Ring Up 2008. Let's now give 3 cheers. Let us now give 3 cheers to your parents, guardians, friends, guests, and to yourself. Happy!